Hey there, tech fans. Today I've got the EMEET StreamCam 1, which is essentially a broadcast studio, a high-resolution camera, and a wireless microphone setup in a single product that you can fit into your pocket. You can essentially pop this out of the box, charge it up, open up the application, connect to your internet, and start streaming. It's really an innovative product that I want to spend some time explaining all the benefits because EMEET's done a great job of building in a lot of innovative features that eliminate the need to have a computer or complicated software or a bunch of equipment to set up your next stream. So before I get to all that though, I'd like to start with a quick unboxing just to show you everything they include with the kit because EMEET has given you everything you need, again, to start streaming pretty much the minute you open up the box. Then I'll spend some time on the unit because it's important to understand the specifications and some of the incredibly innovative features that EMEET has included with the product. I'll take a closer look at it as well and explain the connections and indicators so you understand basically how to use the unit. And then I'll come back one more time and try to point out some of the things that I really like about this product that you can use to compare it to other streaming products you may be considering. So let's get started with the unboxing. So when you first pop open the box, you'll find this really nice case. They've included a hard shell case that holds everything that's included with the kit. It's got cutouts in the bottom for the camera itself. It's got a pouch up top for the cables and other things. It's even got a spot here for the wireless microphone. I really like the fact that they've included this because you can basically take everything in this case, show up at a location, connect to the internet, and start streaming. So good job on the case. They've also included a cable for charging the unit. It has an internal battery. It'll run for about 8 hours on a full charge. You can charge this through the USB-C to USB-C. There's a USB-C connection on the rear. You can plug this into any charger and charge it up. If you have an older charger that has a USB-A port on it, they even include a USB-A adapter that you can pop over one of the USB-C ends, plug it into your charger, and charge the unit up. So again, they're thinking through everything you're going to want to do with this product. They also include a screen, a windscreen, for the microphone. Now, the unit itself is really a self-contained broadcast studio that has a wireless microphone on the top that you can detach. Now, the unit itself has a microphone in the front. It's actually dual microphones that are noise canceling. So when this is on top, you're using the internal microphones, which work really well. But if you're doing an interview, you may want to have a lapel microphone. You can disconnect this, clip it on your lapel, and you'll start using the wireless connection. They also provide a 3.5mm port in the back if you'd like to use a studio microphone. So pretty much any way you want to capture audio, you can with this unit. But I really like the fact they've included this wireless microphone that has pogo pins for charging. It'll run for a couple of hours on the charge, and when you connect it to the unit, you're charging the internal batteries and the microphone at the same time. Again, EMEET, what an innovative product. Also included with the kit is a full instruction manual that explains everything you'll ever want to know about this product, including connection diagrams, what kind of things it can do, the specifications, all the important details about the application, how you launch it. You'll also find a safety guide and a bunch of stickers. And the reason the stickers are important is because when you open the application, you can use a multi-cam setup. So you can have up to 3 of these in the application running at the same time. So if you're doing a stream, you may have one on you, you may have one as an overhead cam, you may have one that's a wider view, and you can easily switch between them in the application. So these stickers allow you to number the cameras so you know, okay, that's camera 1, that's camera 2, camera 3 shooting straight down from the top. Again, when I started looking at this product and started testing it, I was impressed with it. But the more I knew about it, the more impressed I became because it really is a clever product that allows the average person to set up a really professional studio by just simply plugging these cameras in, charging them up, connecting to the internet, and starting to stream. So I think it's a great product. All right, so I've talked a little bit about the specifications. It's a 1080p camera. Now, a lot of people are going to think, well, why isn't it 4K? I want to stream 4K. The honest truth is, if you spend any time streaming, 4K content takes a lot of bandwidth, which means you have to have a really strong internet connection. And most internet connections are strong on the way down when you're downloading information, but they're not real strong when you're uploading information. So to try to jam a 4K signal that's streaming through the pipe up to the internet is a difficult thing to do. And you'll find what happens is that connection has to make decisions. And if there's too much information trying to be jammed through that pipe, it's going to start stuttering. It's going to have dropouts. The audio is going to drop out. So you're going to have a lot of issues. I'm not saying you can't do it, but it requires a very specialized high-speed connection. What you'll find is the sweet spot for streaming is right in that 1080p zone. That's where the Goldilocks zone fits right in the middle on 1080p. This captures 1080p perfectly. So it's a wonderful wonderful stream at 1080p. It's going to give you great quality video and great quality audio up there for your next stream. Another thing that's nice is you get a lot of use out of the camera. So once you fully charge it, you can actually head out and not have to worry about having connected to a charger or a power supply when you're streaming. You'll get 8 hours of use out of the internal batteries, which again, when I first got this, I thought, okay, I've got to connect it up with power. That's not a big deal. But then I realized, wait a minute, it's pretty heavy. I wonder if there's a battery in there. Sure enough, I checked the manual. There's a big battery inside of it, so it runs for up to 8 hours. I like the fact that it's got a removable lapel mic, because that allows me to do an interview, or if I want to improve the audio when I'm speaking, I can clip it on here. Another thing I like an awful lot is on the back there's a micro SD card slot, because a lot of times when you're streaming up to the internet, maybe you're capturing it somewhere else, or you're capturing it in the application, but having an SD card in the back means I have a backup of the stream. I can also use this as a standalone camera, so if I want to do just sort of a vlog, I can set this up, start recording, and record right to the SD camera. So when you think about all the things that this EMEET StreamCam 1 can do, I can stream, I don't need a complicated computer, I need a mixing board, all the application does all that for me. I can use it as a standalone camera to record just like I would with a DSLR. I've got a wireless microphone set up, so if I just want to do, a vlog or some type of explanation of a product, I can do that as well. I've got a beautiful case to carry it around with, so I think pretty much everything you're going to need to capture content, whether you're an influencer or a creator, or you're just somebody that wants to record yourself, this is a great way to get started. So now that I've finished the overview of it, I'm going to take a closer look and explain all the different aspects of what the product provides. And then I'll come back at the end and again point out a few things that I think are really special about this product, because I really haven't even dove into the app yet. They've got a beautiful app that's companion to this that is essentially a broadcast studio in the app, which you can open it up, switch between cameras, you can do fades between cameras. So it kind of gives you everything you need in the box to start streaming today. Now stay tuned for the closer look next, and we'll talk a little further after that. The EMEET StreamCam 1 is a self-contained camera system. It's got a cylindrical shape to it. I really like the look of this. And it's made from high-impact plastic, which makes it lightweight and really, really durable. On the front of the unit, you'll find the main lens in the center, and below that is a microphone. That's a noise-canceling microphone that picks up most of the audio when you're streaming. There's a little indicator light in the center, and I'll explain that in a minute. On the top of the unit is a second microphone that's a wireless microphone that you can easily detach from the base and use this on your lapel as the main microphone. When you clip it back into the base, these pogo pins right here charge this microphone. You also have a third option of using a wired microphone on the rear with this 3.5mm jack right there. You can plug it in and use that external microphone. Now, as I mentioned, there's an indicator right there in the center, and if it's actually flashing blue, that means that the wireless microphone is being used. If it's steady green, that means the internal microphone is being used. If it's steady white, that means the external mic in the back is being used. And if it's red, that means all microphones are muted. On the bottom of the unit, you'll find a 1/4-inch tripod adapter, so you can put this on a tripod if you choose. And on the rear, you'll find a micro SD card slot right there. If you have a card in there, you can actually record the audio from that stream onto the card for later use. In the center, as I've mentioned, 3.5mm audio jack. You can use any external microphone and plug it in right there. To the right of that is a USB-C connection. That's used for charging the internal batteries. You can also use that to power the microphone for those really long streaming sessions. Above that is a power button you can use to turn the unit on. Pretty straightforward unit, but what I like so much about it is that you've essentially got a broadcast studio, a camera, and audio pickups in a single unit, which I think is pretty incredible. I hope that closer look was helpful. Now, I'd like to point out a few things that make this a really special product, and I'm not quite sure where to start because it isn't a single product. It's really multiple products in one. It's a streaming broadcast studio with wireless connectivity for the audio. Where do I start with that? You'd need a DSLR, you need a wireless microphone setup, you need a computer, you need a mixing board. All of that's in this single product in the application. So when you open up the application, you've got your mixing board, you've got your connectivity to the internet. This unit will talk to that application. You can run up to 3 cameras at the same time, so it's not just a single streaming camera, it's a multi-camera setup. I've got a wireless microphone on the top. I can use this as a lapel mic for this camera. If I have 2 more cameras set up, they have wireless mics as well. I can clip those on other guests that I'm interviewing. The unit has an SD card slot on the back, so I can actually record right to the camera. So it is a DSLR on its own, but it also can broadcast directly from the camera to the internet So again, I've got a broadcast studio in my hand right here with wireless connectivity. Another really nice thing is that it's got an internal battery. A lot of these cameras that may be able to broadcast directly from the camera to the internet don't have a battery inside. So it's not like I have to have this connected up and have power supplies and things connected to it when I'm broadcasting. It'll work for up to 8 hours when I'm broadcasting just based on the internal battery capacity. And the best thing too is that that internal battery, when I'm charging the camera, I'm also charging the internal battery in the wireless microphone. And when I'm using this, I get about 2 hours out of the microphone. When I connect it back up to the base through these pogo pins, it's going to recharge the microphone as well. So it gives me a mobile setup, a broadcast studio, a high definition camera that can record 1080p video, a wireless microphone setup, with the option to connect an external studio mic to the back. I mean, it's really everything you need. If you've ever been interested in getting into streaming or being an influencer or starting to do any kind of content development, this is a great way to start because it gives you the ability to live stream. It allows you to record directly to the camera. Again, it gives you the wireless microphone setup, which is an additional cost with most other kits, and everything in one unit. Really nice carrying case, charging cable, wind muff out for when you're out in the field. I don't know what more you could ask for. So all those things being equal, I'd have to compare this to 4 or 5 other products, which tend to be a lot more expensive when you add all that up. Here you've got it in a product that you can slip into your pocket, head out in the field, and just start streaming. What more could you ask for? Anyway, that's all I had for today. You can tell that I like this product an awful lot. I've been using it for quite some time, and it's really my streaming camera to go to when I need to set up quickly and just start doing a live stream. So hopefully you found this review helpful. Thanks an awful lot for watching.